Greetings, my name is Professor Brian Denny and I'm the Director of Student Life here at Eastern Oklahoma State College. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to Eastern and congratulate you on your decision to obtain an associate's degree from Eastern. As a professor and Director of Student Life, I have a lot of responsibilities on campus. Some of these responsibilities are to plan, schedule, and put on a host of campus activities, typically an average of one per week. Some of the examples of some of these campus activities might be karaoke, pool parties, dances, bingo and game nights, and kickball, just to name a few. Another responsibility is to direct our housing staff and create and implement housing policies and work with our physical plant to make repairs on campus housing as necessary. I also work with students, campus clubs and organizations, and our student government to create opportunities for additional student activities and campus projects. We also work to create and implement campus disciplinary policies and work with housing, instructors, facilities managers, campus security authorities, and our campus police department to see that those rules are enforced. Student Services also assists students in making appointments through an agreement between Eastern Oklahoma State College and the Stigler Health and Wellness Center for both physical and mental health needs to help ensure that we can continue to keep our campus safe and healthy. You can locate the Student Services Department on the second floor of the Student Center located in the center of campus, room 208. We look forward to seeing you and having you here this fall.